Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. The sun is shining in Northern Ireland. It is a beautiful, slightly breezy day outside, but I don't mind that at all. I like the fact that it is sunny, and even in these lockdown times, when there's a little sunshine outside, it does brighten up my mood. So I hope it's the same for you all. Guys, I wanted to do something a little different in this video. I wanted to buy a monthly box. This is not a subscription box. This is just a monthly box that you can purchase each month if you choose to. You can skip a month. You can buy one box and not buy any more. And the price of this box is £10, and that includes delivery, which I think is pretty good. Inside this little busy mix box are 12 refreshing bath bombs. So 12 different fragrances. I have not opened this box. I wanted us to open it together. So let's go ahead, open this box and see what pretty things we have inside. I kind of like the basic packaging on this box. I like the sticker. I think that's a little added touch, which is definitely thumbs up and nice. But I like the basic style of box. I'm really not disappointed with that at all. I know a lot of people like these boxes bursting with color, and I do too, but I also appreciate just the simplistic-ness of this brown cardboard box. So let's go ahead and open and see what we have inside. Oh my gosh. So when we open the box, let me just pop the card away and see if we can get these to sit up so you guys can see them. Or maybe not. Let's see if we can do something. There we go. We've got 12 gorgeous bath bombs. They are well packed. This was shipped from England, and I don't think we have much damage. Maybe a little bit of damage here and there, but for the most part, these have arrived very safe, very well packaged. So that is a bonus. There are 12 beautiful fragrances of these bath bombs. They're made by a company called Be Beautiful, and let's go through each one. So the first one that we have is After 8. It is a peppermint scent. It is super pretty and beautiful. Let me see if we can get camera to focus. My camera has had issues focusing this last while. I don't understand why. Peppermint is a really, really nice scent. It is not my ultimate favorite. I like more sweet, tropical types of scent, but this is a really nice bath bomb. I think each one of these bath bombs is 80 grams. So for the price point, I think we're doing pretty well. I love the little flecks of color. This is definitely peppermint. It is a strong peppermint scent, and it has a little detail here with some very pretty little flowers, which I think are adorably cute. So that is our first bath bomb. Our next little bath bomb we have is this one. It's a fruit salad. It is pink grapefruit and Jupiter. I'm definitely getting the Jupiter. Maybe the pink grapefruit scent has been lost a little bit, but it is also sitting beside the peppermint and will take on some of that scent. But it's a pretty decent size bath bomb. Very, very little to no damage. And it represents the little picture quite nicely. This one has a little bit of sparkle. I don't know if it's coming through, but definitely has a little bit of sparkle. Very, very nice. The next one that we have is a citrus twist. And this is our citrus twist. It has some sort of something in there, maybe the basil. You can definitely see it. This citrus twist is lime, basil, and mandarin. You're definitely getting the lime. Mandarin is kind of lost in the lime basil scent, but you're definitely getting lime and basil. It has a very earthy, citrusy scent to it. And is really, really nice. And guys, just so you know, these are quite weighty. So you know you're getting a decent product. So I'm so happy so far. Oh, the next one is a raspberry ripple. I don't know if you guys have ever tasted raspberry ripple chocolate, but it is delicious. It has dark chocolate and raspberry coconut. It's so delicious. If you haven't had one, do check it out. So let's see what our raspberry ruffle looks like. Okay, this is pretty good. A good representation of the picture. Definitely raspberry. It has a very, very fruity berry scent to it. Smells absolutely delicious, almost like I could eat it. Really, really well done. Again, we have a tiny little bit of sparkle. I like that. A little bit of extra touch. We do have a tiny bit of damage, just crack damage right here. I'm not bothered about that at all. It is still well formed, and these were shipped from England. So I'm happy with that. I'm happy that's the only damage on that bath bomb. So I cannot complain at all. The next little bath bomb that we have in this collection is a tropical dream, and that is coconut. And I don't think this is the coconut. Yes, this is the coconut. I'm going to try, whoa, really hard not to mess this box up. Okay, so we have a white bath bomb with some, see if I can get, guys, I'm going to put the card down and I'll just tell you what they are, because I'm trying to get my camera to focus so you can see the gorgeous effort that has been put into these stunning bath bombs. We have a little bit of something. It looks like herbs inside this bath bomb. It does say that it is coconut, but it has some flecks through it. So I'm assuming this is what it is. This has got that coconut scent, but it also has a little bit of mint, a little bit of something. I'm definitely getting that rich coconut scent, but I'm also getting a lot of minty undertones. I'm not unhappy about that. I definitely don't mind mint. Peppermint's probably my least type of minty scent that I like, but I'm happy with that bath bomb. I will be happy to put that into a gift or to use it myself. Okay, guys, what have we got next? We've got a floral fizz, and it's honeysuckle, and it's just this wee one here. Again, it has some flecks through it, and you can definitely see, camera focus, you can definitely see that we have the little red flecks. Again, we have that added little bit of glitter sheen. Okay. I'm definitely getting a sweet kind of scent to this bath bomb. I don't know if it's honeysuckle, but it's definitely sweet, very floral, bursting with fragrance, but I don't know about the honeysuckle. But again, I'm not disappointed with that bath bomb. It is cute, it is adorable, and I will happily use that bath bomb. The next one we have is a Desserts Delight, and it is a chocolate bath bomb. And this is I'm trying not to let these bath bombs smash into each other because I don't want them to be destroyed. Guys, just let me tell you, see the way that this box has been packaged? This is absolutely first class. I am so impressed with this seller. The packaging, the delivery, it came on time. I'm so impressed with this seller, and it definitely will make me want to buy another monthly box. What I might actually do next time around is buy one of the smaller boxes. They have a lot more smaller themed bath bombs. So maybe that's what I'll do for you guys in the next round. We have a chocolate bath bomb. Again, you've got this glitter. You can see that it's sparkly. It smells like chocolate. I could so eat this bath bomb. This has got a rich, creamy chocolate scent to it. Almost like I've just opened a galaxy bar of chocolate. Oh my gosh, it smells so delicious and so nice. I think that is definitely going to be a me keeper of that bath bomb. The next bath bomb, because I think the sheet runs down, but I think we run across. So I think the next bath bomb is what's called Summer Breeze, and it's lavender. Lavender is definitely one of my favorite scents. I have lavender essential oil in my diffusers. It's just a fresh, summery, relaxing scent. So This bath bomb is gorgeous. It has the rosemary sprigs inside it. You can see that the rosemary is definitely present. Little bit of damage, totally fine with that. Because for the most part, this bath bomb is amazing. These bath bombs, guys, by the way, are all handmade. So they're handmade by this company. So I'm totally amazed at handmade bath bombs for the price that I got them at. This is absolutely and undeniably lavender. It is definitely my favorite scent. This is a bath bomb I will definitely keep for myself. I am ecstatically happy with that. Guys, I've noticed something as I'm going through this video. These bath bombs do look bigger on screen than they are in real life. So be mindful that they're approximately, I think they are approximately between 60 and 80 grams. So just be mindful that if you get this box and you've seen them on screen, they are just slightly smaller than you would expect them to be. So the next little bath bomb that we have is a ruby red, which is cherry. It has these gorgeous flecks. Let's try not to cause an avalanche. Again, pretty good representation of the little diagram. It has these red flecks. It also has, I think, some cherry seeds. This is undeniably cherry. Not one of my favorite scents either. I think I would prefer the peppermint over the cherry. Yep, not my favorite, but it is very cherry. It is very, it gives you a burst of fragrance. It has those little seeds in it that will give you that more of a distinguished, strong cherry scent. Absolutely lovely. Let's pop that in. I think we might have a slight avalanche with the rest. Let's have a look at the next one. Is a blue lagoon, and it is supposed to be banana. I have never seen a blue banana. Have you seen a blue banana? Well, this is our blue lagoon, which is supposed to be banana scented. I think this is cute. It has got that little bit of shimmer. Okay. This does not smell like banana at all. I am not getting banana. I'm getting a little bit of mint. It could be from the mint bath bomb. I'm getting a little bit of mint. I am getting almost like a clean linen smell. Almost like fabric softener. You know, that really burst of summer freshness fabric softener. That's what I'm getting from this bath bomb. I'm not disappointed. I like summer fresh. I love having that burst of floral fragrance, but it definitely does not smell like a banana. Well, not to me anyway. The next little bath bomb we have is a very berry. It is pink. It's exactly as represented in the picture. We have had some color rub off from our blue. That's fine. I don't mind that. This is a pretty solid, gorgeous bath bomb. This is strawberry. Undeniable. Gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful scented. Super impressed with the person who made these bath bombs. They are really good quality. They seem quite heavy, and they are generally, for the most part, the scent that they say they are. They've done an amazing job on an amazing job on creating these bath bombs. The last one that we have is Charlie Bear. Love that. That is cute. It's baby powder. I love the smell of baby powder. Let's try very hard not to. This is a solid white bath bomb. Tiny. Come on, camera. Focus. A tiny bit of shimmer. Unmistakably baby powder. Gorgeous, fresh, clean. Beautiful. I honestly, guys, I'm super impressed with this box. This would definitely be a recommendation if you guys wanted to buy a bath bomb box. This is awesome to buy for yourself. This is awesome to buy as a gift for someone if you want to give them a range of bath bombs. But what you can also do is split these bath bombs up. So you could take 4, you could take 3, you could take 2. and put them into cute little packaging and give them away as a little gift. That's what I intend to do with some of these bath bombs. But I really have to recommend Be Beautiful for their sheer amount of work on creating these absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous bath bombs. So guys, I'm going to take my least favorite bath bomb, and we're going to pop it into some water, and we're going to see just how well they fizz. So my least, I think you guys have already realized, is the cherry. The rest we'll pop our little Buzzy Bee bath bomb inside the box, and we'll pop our box right here. We'll bring in some hot water, which is sitting right here. We'll tilt you guys back and down a little bit. Sorry for all the camera movement. But I want to see just how well these bath bombs fizz. I have bought store-bought ones that I have been amazed with. I mean amazed. And there are some that I've bought more expensive and I have been thoroughly disappointed. So I want to check out how well this Be Beautiful Buzzy Mix Refreshing Bath Bomb actually is. So guys, this is the cherry. We have a ton of add-ins, and let's go ahead and pop this in. Are you getting how beautiful this bath bomb is? The fizz is amazing. The bubbles are amazing. The smell is amazing. And we're getting these little bits of add-ins. So I think, oh my gosh, the smell of cherry has consumed my whole room. These are so fantastic. Look at the gorgeous cherry blossom color of this water. Look at this bath bomb. Almost gone. It has colored the water. Check. It has an outstanding fragrance. Check. And then we've got these add-ins, these little add-ins that will make the water, that will put some extras into the water. Guys, I am definitely impressed with this subscription box. I will definitely be ordering another monthly box, and I highly recommend this seller. If you guys want a link to this box, let me know in the comments below. I will absolutely put it in, but I just cannot tell you how amazing these bath bombs really are. For the entirety of this year, I have had a lot of bath bombs that I have reviewed from a lot of different places. Outside of Primark do some really amazing fizzy scented bath bombs, and they're really good prices. This seller has really surprised me. I am ecstatic with these. I think these little add-ins are parts of the cherry seed. Can you guys see? And maybe cherry blossom, because I'm definitely getting more of a cherry blossom scent to this bath bomb than I'm getting just pure cherry. So I think this might actually be more like a cherry blossom bath bomb. This is amazing. This is a recommended seller. I will definitely be purchasing another box, and I will review it on screen for you guys. Let me know in the comments below what you think of these bath bombs. Let me know if you think they're a good price, if you think the variety is there, if we're on price point. Let me know what you thought of the fizz, how the actual bath bomb ended. I mean, I would happily get into a bath and have this in my bath. This is gorgeous, cleansing, purifying, nice, rich. This is what a bath bomb should be. Guys, I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet a subscriber and you would like to join us, we would love to have you come. So hit that little subscribe button, and to be notified of any of my future videos, hit that notification bell. Guys, thank you so much again for joining me. Please stay safe, take care, and I am going to catch you in the next video. Bye everybody. Bye bye.